Here I have Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'm going to show you how to change icon's shape on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to download this app, X Icon Changer, from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Then you have to watch an ad, of course. Pick an icon which you want to change, for example Chrome. Then pick an icon to which you want to change this icon. As you can see, you have different themes with different icons here. You can also change it to any other photo that you can take with your camera or just select it from your gallery. But I'm just going to select one of these preset ones, for example this one. Then just tap OK. Watch an ad, of course, but I will prevent you from this. Wow, so funny. And then tap Add on the home screen. And now, as you can see, I have this new icon and it opens Google Chrome. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.